Hey everyone, welcome to Lemon Branch DIY. Today we're talking about fruit trees, specifically peach trees. And all peach trees tend to get peach borers, or the little insects, the borers that can ruin your tree and your fruit. This particular tree, we've absolutely loved it. It's an Alberta peach, and it has been fabulous. It's had the most beautiful, amazing peaches on it for years and years. However, fruit trees do have a lifespan, and depending on the environment and conditions, they can live anywhere from 10 to 20 years, and how you're pruning them and what else is going on around them. So what we've been doing though for a couple of years for the peach borer for this particular tree is our own homemade potion. So a couple of things you can do to get rid of the peach borer. So you can see how it is seeping out right here in the trunk. You can see how it's coming right out a lot. Those are your signs of it. And then also you can see over here, over the years, where the trunk itself has split open, and the borer is seeping right out of that as well right now. So that gives you an idea of what to look for and what that looks like. So there's some other locations on this tree. This tree is 20 years old, so it really is at the end of its life, and we're just babying it along, hanging on to it, hoping that we can get a few more peaches out of it because it's so good. So a couple of things that you can do for peach borer. There are insecticides that you can spray on your fruit trees that you can pick up at your local Home Depot or Amazon. The thing about those though is you have to be really careful when spraying those because they do have toxins in them, and you want to be really careful that you don't spray it on the fruit itself. So I really love this particular, our homemade potion that we're going to talk about today. It really helps it out and is non-toxic. So if you have kids, just the fruit that you're going to eat itself, pets, anything like that. And also it doesn't hurt the lawn if it gets on it. So the way to do that is, what you want to do is it's a gallon of water, and then it's a cup of ammonia. So just regular ammonia from the grocery store. And so all we're going to do is pour a cup of water in our gallon of water today. So that's all it takes. That's all you have to do. So the technique to this in terms of how to have the best results on your peach tree is you pour it around the base of the peach tree, and then we also pour it right on the trunk or the branch where the peach borer is seeping out, and that helps that to dry up and helps it to last longer and be more healthy throughout the season. We usually do this about once a month throughout the growing season, and anytime that we see the peach borer reappear, we'll come pour that on again. A couple other natural remedies that you can try on your peach trees is garlic. You can put garlic cloves around the base of the trunk of your tree. And then the other thing that you can pick up is a spray that is a natural oil, and it's called Neem, N-E-E-M oil. And that's a great spray, an alternative as well, that will help your fruit trees avoid being ruined by borer. So all you have to do, this very simple, is literally, that's it. So you pour it in there, and then you pour it around the base. And then also, like I said, you pour it right on the trunk, right on the branches where you see that it is coming through and affecting your tree. That will help dry it out, like I said, and keep it from spreading further. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you have a remedy that you have for your peach trees that everybody needs to know about, please drop it in the comments and let us know what's worked for you.